heads will turn, the temperature will change, the atmosphere will be altered. Look at the rainbow nature of this gathering, and you'll appreciate the point being made. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, we are here for one simple reason. Because a man who has appreciated God has found the need to call all of us together to join him and his family to thank Almighty God. Why is he thanking God? Because for 8 years, Almighty God gave him the opportunity to serve Rivers State. And he grabbed that opportunity with 2 hands, pleaded with God to show him the way. Almighty God responded. Today, the immediate past governor of Rivers State, Chief Barrister Wike, stands in the history of Nigeria, in the history of democratic governance, as the best governor that Nigeria has produced so far. The MC, in his introduction of the chairman of the occasion, said Dr. Odili was the golden governor of Nigeria. I can say that if he has a justifiable reason for saying so, Dr. Odili is gladly handing over that title to SYMFONI. And I'm not doing it lightly. I'm doing it with every sense of responsibility. Name the sector: health, where I belong; education; judiciary and the legal system; infrastructure; poverty reduction strategies. Name it. SYMFONI excelled and stands as the best performer so far in all these sectors. I know that the governor of Lagos State, who is representing our president, but because he's here not in his capacity as the governor of Lagos, he should not frown when we say Wike has outclassed all his classmates and governors. As for the Senate President, I know his problem is from home. But home matters are usually settled at home. For now, the man who has brought us here deserves all that we can give him. And I must thank all of you who have come. His immediate political family of G5, the Integrity Group, but go beyond that, and you see a rainbow arrangement that has never happened in Nigeria before. One thing that Governor Wike has left for all of us, those of us who have retired and those who are warming up to join the track, he has woken the attention of Nigerians to the need to respect one another. He has also demonstrated by action that the nation is a chain peoples and groups. He has shown that no chain is stronger than the weakest link in the chain. The strength of the chain I must pause because you heard the chief celebrant say in the church that the wife is his boss at home, and we are now at home. She has just stepped in with her successor, so why wouldn't I pause? If she decides that what we've gathered here to do, item whatever you call it from wherever you come, that's the end of it. So, First Lady and your immediate past predecessor, welcome. We are just about to start. Another message that Governor Wike has registered is that we need each other to keep them. And I want to congratulate. So my business is to invite you all to relax, make merry, jollificate, do whatever you want to do, enjoy yourselves, and let us unveil the delectable cuisine of our former First Lady and deal with whatever you find in the bar of the life venture. It is on that note that I want to thank you for honoring their invitations and for bringing all the shades and colors of Nigeria under one roof. Your Excellency, may God bless you for all you've done for our people. We are proud of you and we'll continue to pray for your continued success. I thank you all for your attention.